Oh yeah, look at this. 2-pack work light. Yeah, so right off the bat, absolutely love the industrial feel to this. Like on a job site, this is going to be fantastic. But look at how big that is. Look at how big that is. So let's go plug this up to see what this can do. Oh my gosh. Look how bright that is. Look at how bright that is against the back wall. Oh my gosh, dude. This is absolutely perfect. So then that way, if you're painting, oh my goodness, this is absolutely it. Again, the industrial metal feel to this. This is definitely going to withstand 100 watts. Oh, 6,000 Kelvin. Dude, this is absolutely a thing of beauty. And you have 2 of them. So guys, if you need industrial work lights for your shop, for your garage, yeah, I would definitely, without a doubt, get these today.